So, this is the Shiloh Inn in Nampa, Idaho. There's the lobby with a bunch of papers. And if you look over here, an uncrowded swimming pool. No one in it. And then, if I zoom in good enough, you probably just saw the hot tub. Excuse me. Oh. Guys, can you get out of my way? Thank you. Oh, look. A big present. An elevator ride. That is nice. Oh, and there's the star with a wand. And in case of a fire exit. There's the hallway from there. There's the elevator. All the pictures go to number 2. Close it up. This is a really nice elevator. Look at that light. That looks awesome.
Yeah.
I don't know what company this elevator is, but thank you. So, let's see. No elevator company name. I don't know what company that elevator is. That one. Oh. I'm in room 224. 224. Can I take that? There's the key card. Okay. Well, there's the hotel. Sorry, I just gotta get this stuff off of me. I'm keeping my jacket on. There's the hotel with 2 beds. It is 3:30 in mountain time because a lot of this is mountain. We're 3:33. There's the TV. Oh, look! I could have my Coke here if I wanted to. Yeah, and let's look out the window. I wanna. Oh my goodness, it looks like construction out there. Well, we got a warm bed and a little workstation. Let's see what's in here. Nothing's in there.
Wow, this is so
Excuse me, buddy. So, nothing in there. Well, nothing. I guess you can put... Oh.
a TV.
Excuse me. So, this light can be turned on. Hey, this light bulb looks like an Easter egg. It really does. Look. Oh, yeah. I see the remote. Okay, let's go by. Here, we got a mirror. Oh, and a sink. Oh, there's the hair dryer, which I'm for sure not turning on. And there's some soaps. There's a Shiloh Inn bar soap. Excuse me. Okay. So, what haven't I shown? Okay. There's my favorite part, the standard hotel telephone. It actually looks better than most telephones I see. A lot better. Let's see. Another telephone. This looks like the ones I saw the last time I stayed at the Shiloh Inn when I was 8. Yep. And it also looks like the one in Kootenai Health, the hospital. Now, I know one thing. I could do an elevator video in the hospital in Coeur d'Alene, but I have an elevator video that's coming up. So, there's electrical plugs. Excuse me. So, now it's 3:35. 35? Good. So there's my iPad charger, coffee maker, a sink, a microwave. Oh, LG VX52.
Oh, for me.
So there's the hotel area. And there's the soap. So there's the bathroom, not very interesting. Just a toilet and a trash can and a big tub with a nice and an arched shower curtain. Not 2, but 4 towels. Oh yeah, a bar of soap that looks like a cracker. Oh my goodness, and a white washcloth. 2 rolls of toilet paper. Nice, and let's check and see what's in these cabinets before. Nothing, just a furnace. Nothing, and anything, just a wash, just a wipe. Oh wait, that one won't unlock. We haven't done the fridge yet, have we? No, we've never done the... There's a freezer like that, and there's the mirror, and look, there's a door to another room and a trash can. Well, that, guys, is where we have to stop. We could keep up. This is where we're stopping. I hope everyone had a really good time. Bye-bye.